Welcome back to my channel, beautiful soul. So let's just jump right into this topic. Employers admit that 63% of the barriers blocking their transformation comes from skill gaps. But here's the part they don't want to talk about. Skill gaps disproportionately affects Black women. Not because we're not capable, but because many of the systems never invest in our development. So if you ever felt overlooked, stuck, and underpaid, it's not your imagination. So these are the 5 upskills that every Black woman must learn before 2026. These are the skills that's going to keep you relevant, visible, and paid. Stay tuned. So according to Barriers to Transformation, skill gaps disproportionately affect Black women due to systematic inequalities in access to training, reskilling, and upward mobility. Welcome back, beautiful soul. My name is Brittany P. Okay, I'm here to give you the resource. So skill number 1, AI literacy and prompting. So let's be clear, AI is not replacing you. But if you know how to use AI, you will outpace people that don't know how to use it. So that gives you an advantage. So whether you're in HR, healthcare, education, management, AI is here to stay. AI is becoming the new assistant, strategist, and creative partner. It behooves you to learn AI. Knowing how to write prompts, using AI to build your digital presence, creating an AI twin, automate tasks will make you shine in a very crowded market. So put it this way, 2026 belongs to the woman that knows AI. So this whole AI thing, it can create a little bit of anxiety. That's why I went ahead and created this AI guide. So in all honesty, when I first started my AI prompting training, I was a little all over the place because there's just so many softwares and apps, and prompting, it's not equal on all platforms. Some platforms want you to be as specific. Some platforms don't want you to be as specific when you're prompting. So that's why I went ahead and created the Clarity Confidence Guide to Higgsfield.ai. I created this guide because I had so many questions and I was filled with so much anxiousness because of how rapid the AI is just growing and all of these new platforms just keep coming on the scene. So this is a beginner friendly guide and this is absolutely free. I will put the link below. So skill number 2, personal branding and digital visibility. So in 2026, your personal brand will have more of an impact on job opportunities than your resume. And here's the thing, companies, clients search you online before they even contact you. So that digital presence is everything. And this is what they're really looking for. How you articulate your value, share your story, build credibility online, show up confidently on camera, use content to attract aligned opportunities. So in other words, if you don't control your narrative, the marketplace will control it for you by either diminishing your value or increasing your value. Do not rely solely on a job title. Upskill number 3, storytelling for influence. So let's be clear. Soft skills are becoming the new power skills. If you know how to communicate clearly and storytell effectively, and most importantly, influence the room, you will always stand out. So these are some of the benefits of storytelling. You interview better, you lead better, you sell better, you teach better, you inspire better. Your story is strategy. Learn how to utilize it. Upskill number 4, creative digital skills. So if you can design, video edit, content creation, there is a high demand for this. So below I have a list of resources along with books that I highly recommend if you're trying to sharpen your communication and your storytelling skills. So the future belongs to multi-skilled professionals. So you don't necessarily need to be a content creator, but you do need to understand how it works. You do need to understand the basics of Canva, video editing, carousel creation, simple branding, social media communication. Why, you may ask? Because visibility equals opportunities. And having these digital skills make you agile, adaptable, and hireable. Upskill number 5. Clarity and strategic self-management. Let's be clear. Clarity is the new currency. So if you have clarity, you make decisions faster, better, apply for jobs with strategy, and build brands with direction, not confusion. You need to sharpen your skills in clarity mapping, goal setting, time blocking, creating systems, self-leadership. And most importantly, seek God before you start your workflow. Because trust me, you're going to need wisdom that feeds into your clarity. So let's be clear, 2026 is not for the reactive woman. It is for the woman who is very strategic. So the real message in all of this is that the world is shifting. Jobs are shifting. Opportunities are shifting. But hear me. Black women in particular who invest in clarity, digital skills, and personal branding will always rise to the top. Because let's just be real, we've always been powerful and resilient. Many of us just wasn't taught how to package it. So if you're ready to upgrade in this market, I have created a few freebies for you. Please check those resources below along with some other links that will assist you, and share this with a sister in need. Be blessed, beautiful soul. Bye.